mag-say YMCA. Oh yeah! You can get with the street, you can have a good meal, you can do whatever you feel. Oh everybody! YMCA! Woo! Nakapagod! YMCA! Woo! Ang saya! You can get your street, you can have a good meal, you can do whatever you feel.
Araneta C!
YMCA!
Wala kayong driving mga unggoy!
Joel! Ayaw mo si Joel! Ayaw mo doon!
You can do it!
Wala!
Thank you for coming, Manila! Kaya, sabay-sabay!
Sana!
Thank you for... We need more effort. Nakita.
Kasi sumama.
Pagod!
Joel, hindi na nakasama.